So I'm going to show you how to use Google Maps on the cover screen of your Galaxy Z Flip 8. Now, first of all, you need to make sure you've enabled the Quick Start plugin so you can have access to all the apps on the cover screen. And then find Google Maps. In case it's not here, you can tap on Add Apps and then make sure you go to Google Maps and make sure it's checked. Tap on Done, and then now you'll have Google Maps on your cover screen. So you can launch Google Maps at any time on the cover screen, and then you can go to specific locations. It brings up the keyboard just right on the cover screen, and you can pick a location. You can even start navigations, check directions, and whatnot. So you can basically do all that. So that is basically how to use the the Google Maps on the cover screen of your Galaxy Z Flip 8. Now, if you don't know how to enable all apps or how to be able to use all apps on the cover screen, I'm going to link that video on how to enable that feature in the comment section below. But once you enable that, then all you have to do is make sure Google Maps is available. If it's not, tap on Add Apps, add it, and it should be available on your cover screen. Good luck.